Hi you guys, welcome back to our channel, Darren and Sherla. I'm so excited to share Silversands Beach House with you in Grenada. This was our first time visiting Grenada, and when I tell you we were both pleasantly surprised by how beautiful and amazing Grenada is, if I had to choose the most underrated island, it would have to be Grenada. The background right now literally looks picture perfect and not real. Silversands Beach House had just opened whenever we stayed there, and you guys, it's so luxury, a 5-star property. Honestly, I cannot recommend this property enough. Even if you have no plans to go to Grenada, definitely add this property to your bucket list. This is a restaurant that's located on property. Whenever you're staying at Silversands Beach House, it actually comes with complimentary breakfast, which we love, and so sad we didn't realize it came with complimentary breakfast till our second morning, but the food was honestly amazing. They also will serve you food by the pool, which you'll see in our vlog. Honestly, if you want to spend a whole day just on property, relaxing at the pool and the beach, you will 100% have an amazing day. We really enjoyed the food both at Silversands Beach House and at Silversands Grenada. This was us seeing our room for the very first time, you guys. I love that there's golf carts that will take you to and from your room. It is built on a hill, and that is why you have such amazing views from your room. We actually stayed in an ocean view room, and I highly recommend, if you're gonna stay here, just spend a little bit extra to get that ocean view room, because truly there is nothing like it. I absolutely love that each room, each villa is separate, so you can make as much noise as you want. They actually have a Bluetooth speaker that connects through the speakers in your rooms. You guys, to me, this would be the perfect spot if you're celebrating something for a honeymoon. Like, the way they built this property, it truly blew us away.
Let's go on as a bracelet. Now to open your door, you just put it against this right now. And welcome to your beach house.
Welcome to our beach house. You guys, this room truly blew us away. Whenever we booked here, there weren't that many room tours, so we really didn't know what we were getting ourselves into, but I can say that we were pleasantly surprised in the best way possible. That is one of the most comfortable beds that we've ever slept in, and we've stayed at many 5-star resorts. Silversands Beach House really paid attention to every single detail. I love that it's open and there's so much light that goes in the room, but they also have curtains to where if you want privacy or if you want to sleep in, you can. The bathroom was so beautiful. I love that they have a separate shower and toilet, water closet. The rainfall shower was one of my favorites. I know some people love rainfall showers, some people don't. But even though I wasn't washing my hair each time I was in the shower, I absolutely loved it. Again, I love that they had a window in the actual bathroom. They had frosted on the window so people couldn't see in. The most exciting part of the room had to be the outdoors. You guys, this is why I said you have to get the ocean view room. Not only is this balcony massive, but that view is unbelievable. I'd also like to add that the beach that Silversands Beach House is located on is some of the most beautiful, clear, amazing water we've ever seen. I think a lot of properties don't really pay attention to the outdoors, and I feel like they design this property, designing the outdoors and then going indoors. Not even 30 minutes after Darren filmed this, I literally fell asleep right on this day bed. It's very rare that you have such a big day bed like that. Both me and Darren could sleep comfortably on there. They had chairs outside. The outdoor space, you could do anything. You could work out, you could relax, and I think that is truly what sets this property and the other Silversands Grand Anse property apart, is that you have so much private space that you truly feel like you're in your own private retreat. If you're struggling between which property you should stay at, I 1000% recommend Silversands Beach House, especially with the ocean view. Everything about this property gets 10s across the board, from the service, view, location, food. Make sure you subscribe for more Grenada content, and remember to always do more of what makes you happy. Bye.